So we got a rubber boot right there.
Oh,
So we're going to plug in the heater for you, and now you could plug in your extension cord, since that's something that you're only going to use as needed.
Yep.
And of course, you know, we have a 25-foot cord on this, so you're just all the way to your receptacle. It's kind of cool. We, you know, we didn't have to do anything fancy. You know, just run it underground and come up right there.
How deep is the
cord
for the pump?
Usually we put it in like 3 to 4 inches, because
okay,
if we ever got to service it, we need it to come up and out easily.
You wanted to bury this one too?
No.
No? Okay.
Thank you, no.
All right.
So now that cover will fit. He'll put a couple screws in it for you if you want. That way you don't have to worry about.
Kidding? I'm gonna sleep next to this thing.
Yeah, they're pretty cool. Especially with when you've been through what you have. I mean, I've seen the pictures. I know what
you got no idea.
I know. I know.
Wiping the dog's feet.
Yeah, it's endless. It's endless. So we got some stainless steel.
No screws.
You're good with it?
Okay.
You want to just put a couple bricks on there, and then that way you always check it. You know, it's a peace of mind when you can look in and see that everything's right.
Yeah.
And if you want to test this, well,
you can walk on it, right?
Yeah, you can literally open this up, reach down, and lift the float up, and just let it pump water. You know, whatever's in there, and you can run a garden hose in there. It's going to take a while to cycle it, you know.
Right, because it's a big chamber I designed.
Right on, right on. So we camouflaged the discharge, the best we could. And, I can show you what we ended up doing out in the front. It looks really clean. So there's downspouts. There's one there. There's downspout here. Neighbor's got his downspout running on an angle this way, which is wrong. So many things wrong with that. It's not even funny. Neighbors. There's our discharge. So we take it to a gutter. Then we put a splash block under it. We're just giving that the same camouflage paint that we use for the discharge line. Just Ian thought it'd look better than bright white, and he was right. All right, when we test this, it's going to puke some water, so we don't want to have any of the electric tools around.